What's up, everybody? I just picked this up today. It's a Logitech wireless keyboard with a trackpad. This is going to be a quick unboxing, possibly a setup, depending on how easy it is. It's the K400. I picked this up at Radio Shack for, I believe, $25. Got a year warranty on it. And, yeah. Let's try to get it open with some keys, because did not prepare for this. I just kind of saw the box and was like, hey, let's do an unboxing. So, got that tape done. We got that tape done. So it should be, there we go, coming open. Let's get the keys out of here. Let's go to view as I open it. There it is. We got the USB, I guess, receiver, I guess is what this is. And then we have the, let's just try to take this out. We'll put that there so that way we don't lose it. Just take this out of here. Set that aside. Here's the manual, setup guide. Important. Probably not going to read that until I'm on the toilet, just being honest. And now this comes loose. Let's kind of rip this apart so that we can get in there. What's holding it? Trying to do this with one hand is not easy. Okay. Let me put down the camera. Give me 1 second. Alright, so this is a USB to USB. Not quite sure. I have no idea how to set this up. So we have what looks to be like the receiver, and no idea. So let's take a closer look at the keyboard itself. On the back side, we got spots for AA batteries. Those little things were in there, and I guess to conserve the battery, because whenever the batteries are in the device, they begin to drain no matter what. Okay, so up here we got the on-off switch. Mouse, it looks like, music, home, PC lock maybe, and I guess this is another power button to maybe turn on your computer, not sure. I'm not sure if these buttons illuminate or not. This trackpad, oh, my phone just went off, sorry for that. Let's look at the back side if there is any. There is not. There are no things that come up here and there to, I guess, give it tilt. So that's that. Let me end this video here, because I really have no idea how to set this up, and I don't want this video to go on forever. So this was a quick unboxing of the Logitech K400 wireless touch keyboard. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good day.